Hello, everybody. Say hi. Tim, Michael, turn around and say hi. Hello. Matthew, what are you doing? Hi. You. Hey, Matt, how do you like the beach? Matthew, wave to Mommy. Matthew. Hi. Kimberly. What day is this?
You gotta go and say Mike yourself. Stop with the rock. I'm gonna get me pictures. You just know that. I'm telling you to stop.
Hi, Mike. How you doing? Michael, tell us what tomorrow is, Mike.
What?
What's tomorrow?
I don't know.
Yeah, what date is it?
Where's Kim?
What did you say tomorrow was?
What's going on?
1990. Yay. Hey, Matthew, throw Mommy a kiss. Throw me a kiss, Matt. Mwah. Can't believe this. Actually, resting?
What?
Did you say we're resting?
No.
I don't know, are we resting?
Yeah, we're resting. For the first time in
7 months.
7 months.
Katie!
Mom, I'm hungry.
And Grandma, Aunt Rose made coffee. I wonder if, when you went in, did you go in the house?
Yeah.
Did you have coffee on the table?
I don't think so. Cause
Should I
no
feel
one
like
was
that?
there except for her.
What?
I don't think so because no one was there except for her and Anna.
Oh. We'll go back now. We had cookies and stuff. We'll have a snack.
Tomato!
Hi, handsome baby boy. Give me that baby boy. I want him. I want him. Yeah. 3 kisses for a nickel. Sit down and let's do round, round, bally. Let's show Daddy how we do it. Ready? Round, round, bally. Oh, no. Round, round, bally. Push the penny in. 1 slice, 2 slice. Tickle, tickle. Your turn. Do it to Mommy. In. 1 slice. 1 slice. 2 slice. Tickle, 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 tickle in. Tickle, tickle. Huh? Tickle, tickle on your Looney Tunes. Tickle.
Hi, Kim.
Hi, Dad. Skinny as ever. Tickle, tickle in.
It's enough.
Blue.
Clap feet,
Have
clap feet. Till daddy come home.
come.
Daddy's got money and Katie has none.
Come.
Katie knows that song.